My cat is sitting on the bell. Welcome back to school. I'm gonna bite the bullet and get the final pages in this section done. There's like 4 pages here. The next section in this chapter deals with the fractions, and I think that would be a natural breaking point. I could try to work on that section tomorrow, and then hopefully get my other section done, or other sections done in the other book that I haven't seen in forever, the Arithmetic by Grades. Yeah. And then I have a couple pages for class that we did recently that I have to get done also. So, cat, you need to move somewhere that it's not in front of me. Okay. So, we are on page 59. No. I don't think we have this number yet. 58. And we're dealing with the number 3. Okay. Lesson 10. Says, how many sides has this triangle? Oh, if anyone's curious, this is the book I'm working out of right now. Sorry, it's probably awkward. But yeah. How many sides has this triangle? 3 sides. Write the figures that tells how many sides for write the figure. Oh, it's one figure. Write the figure that tells how many sides a triangle has. So I guess you just write out the number 3 again. The next section says, copy the above drawings and write in the figures 3 underneath each. Okay, we can do that when we write out these problems. 9 sticks will hold 9 sticks will make how many triangles? 9 sticks will make 3 triangles. We already did that one. We did that one. 6 pints of milk and how many quarts of milk? What? Oh, 6 pints of milk are how many quarts of milk? That would be 3 quarts of milk, because there's 2 pints and 1 quart. Okay. 8 pints of milk are how many quarts of milk? That's going to be 4 quarts of milk. 1 pint of cream is how many gills of cream? That's 4 gills of cream. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't knock my eyeballs out of my head. Well, hopefully walking over there will make them feel better. The next section, let me see, we did the pints, okay, 2 pints of yeast is 1 more gill of yeast are, what? Oh, 2 pints of yeast and 1 more gill of yeast are how many gills of yeast? So we got 4, let me see, we got 4 gills and 1 gill. That's 9 gills of yeast. That's a lot of yeast. How, if you have 3 2-cent pieces, what other piece of money will you need to buy a 9-cent loaf of bread? So if you have 3 2-cent pieces, let me think. 3 2-cent pieces, that's 6 cents. And you need a bread that's 9 cents a loaf. You're gonna need 6 cents of bread. You're gonna need 6 cents to get your 9-cent loaf of bread. Yeah. The next one says, what 2 pieces of money will make 8 cents? 2 pieces of money will make 8 cents. A 5-cent piece. I don't know. Let me see here. 2 pieces of money will make 8 cents. I don't know if they have a 7-cent piece. I know they have a 1-cent piece. Do they have a 6-cent piece and a 2-cent piece? I don't know. I'm kind of talking myself through this. Let's see. There's a 3-cent piece and a 4. No, that's a 7-cent piece. That's a 7 piece. Does it matter what the answer is? Can I just say a 7-cent piece and a 1-cent piece? How about a 3-cent piece and a 5-cent piece? That works. A 3-cent piece and a 5-cent piece. That's my final answer. And I'm sticking to it. Okay. That one took a while to think on. The next question says, what 2 pieces of money make 5 cents? A 2-cent piece and a 3-cent piece. Bam! Hey, gotta give you the hard one right away. Then the other ones are easy. What 3 unique pieces of money make 9 cents? 3 3-cent pieces. They should bring back the 3-cent piece. If Annie has 8 years old, if Annie is 8 years old, how old will she be in 5 years ago? Wait, that's not right. If Annie is 8 years old, how old was she 5 years ago? She was 3 years, 5 years ago. Okay. She was 3 years old 5 years ago. When Joe went 6 years old, when Joe was 6 years old, his father gave him a knife which he has still. If he is now 9 years old, how long has he had the knife? Well, if he got the knife at 6 years old, and he is now 9 years old, he would have had the knife for 3 years. Hopefully he still has all his fingers, too. His father must have really trusted him to give him a knife at 6 years old. Young boy turning into a man. Okay, the next page. 59, lesson 11. Dealing with the number 8. The number I couldn't read at the beginning of this video. How many sides has this polygon? 8 sides. Copy the rectangles and write the figures 8 under each. Okay, that's a copy assignment and a writing assignment. That will be shown when I write these out. Write the answers to these questions in figures. How many gills of yard? What? I don't know if you can have a gill of yard. How many gills of yeast make a pound of yeast? Oh, a pint of yeast. 4 gills will make a pint of yeast. Isn't there a Latin phrase, repetition? Oh gosh, I can't even say it. The repetition is the mother of all learning or something like that. Yeah. By the time I get done with this stuff, I'll have gone through these things so many times, I will never forget them. Next question. How many gills of yeast make up a pint? That's 4 gills of yeast. How many gills of yeast are in 2 pints? 8 gills of yeast are in 2 pints. 4 quarts of berries will make how many pints? Oh crap. 4 quarts. Oh my gosh. I can't go the other way around. I can't go from quarts to pints, and I don't know why. Okay. 4 quarts will make how many pints of berries? Is it 2 pints of berries? Is it 2 pints of berries? I think it's 2 pints of berries. Oh, come on. Cat, that didn't even hit you. Oh my gosh. The book cover just slightly tapped her. And she made a noise. You're so funny, Cat. Okay, I'm gonna say 4 quarts are 2. No, that can't be right. Hold on, let me think on this. 2 quarts are in 1. No, 2 pints are in 1 quart, and so that's 1 quart. I gotta think on this. Ow. Oh, 2 quarts are in, no. 2 pints equal 1 quart. And we have 4 quarts. Hey, Cat. Okay. 4 quarts. We need to figure out how many pints. I think it's only 2 of them. Is it only 2 pints? But I'm confused. Because it takes 2 pints to go into 1 quart. So if it takes 2 pints to go into 1 quart, then it would take 4 pints to go into 2 quarts. Is that right? Is it 2 pints? You would get 2 pints of berries in 4 quarts. Or is it 4 pints? Oh my gosh, I think I'm overthinking this, Cat. Help me. Can you help me with my arithmetic? Oh, you're no good, Cat. You're just gonna lay down and enjoy my humiliation, aren't you? Okay, I think it's gonna be 4 pints. No, you have, hold on, I gotta think on this. Okay, so that's 1 quart. That's another quart. That's 2 quarts and 4 pints. And this is going to be another quart. So that's 3 quarts. So that's already 6 pints. And this here is going to be another quart. That's 4 quarts right here. So that's 6 pints of berries. I think I got it figured out, but I had to use my fingers to figure it out because I don't know how to go from pints or gill. Oh, I can't go from quarts to pints, but it's 6 pints of berries. Cat, you got your hair all over my book. Okay, moving on. Hopefully the next question will be much more easier than that one. What is it, Norm? Oh, okay, we did the one with the gills. 4 quarts of berries will make how many pints if it takes 1 pint? Wait, what are you talking about, pies? Did I screw this up? 4 quarts of berries will make how many pies if it takes 1 pint of berries per pie? Yeah, I think I screwed this up because I did totally the wrong thing. Okay, 4 quarts will make, 1 pint of, 1 pint of berries will make 1 pie, and there's 4 quarts. There would be 6 pies. I think you can make 6 pies with that. 8 pies. I think you can do 8 pies, because you got, if 1 quart is 1 pie, and you have 4 quarts, and I already broke it down with my fingers, that's going to be 2 pies, 3 pies, 4 pies here, but this is a half pie, and then another pie. So that's 8 pies. That's 8 pies that you can make. That's a lot of pies. Okay. That is a lot of pies. I don't know what you're going to do with 8 berry pies. Yeah. Okay. So we did that one, which was really hard, but we got through it. How much will a quart of milk cost if 4 cents a pint? Oh, at 4 cents a pint. 4 cents a pint. That would be a quart of milk is going to cost, there's 2, that would be 8 cents. Your quart of milk is going to cost 8 cents. We already did that one. What will a square of yeast, oh my gosh, what will a quart of yeast cost at 1 cent a gill? What will a quart of yeast cost at 1 cent a gill? Oh my gosh. A quart of yeast. Okay. At 1 cent a gill. Okay. So if you have, I gotta think on this again. So this is gonna be 1 gill. That's gonna be 2 gills, 3 gills, 4 gills. So that's 4 gills. And 4 gills are equal to 1 pint. And there's 2 pints in a quart. So there's going to be 8 gills in a quart. So you're going to be spending 8 cents a gill on your yeast if you need a quart of yeast, and it's 1 cent a gill. Okay, so 8 cents on that one. The next one says, what will a quart of... Oh, we already did that one. The next one says, what of the number 8... Oh, think of the number 8 and tell one what number you must... What? Think of the number 8 and tell at once what number you must put with these sticks to make 8. You would need to put 8 no, you have 8. You need to put in 3 more sticks to make 8. And then with the next set of sticks, I gotta count them because I can't count that quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 6 sticks. You would need 2 more sticks to make 8. And with the 3 sticks, you would need 5 sticks to make 8. And with 2 sticks, you would need 6 sticks to make 8. And with the 1 stick, you would need 7 sticks to make 8. And with the 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 sticks, you would need 1 stick to make 8. And with 4 sticks, you would need 4 sticks to make 8. Okay, next problem. I'm thinking I'm going to split this up into a couple videos because this one is long. What number minus 4 is 4? 2. Wait, that's not right. What number minus 4 is 4? 8. Minus 4 is 3. Huh? 7. Minus 5 is 3. These are hard. Minus 5 is 8. Minus 3 is 2. 5. Minus 3 is 5. Oh my gosh. 8. These are hard. How many square inches are in a rectangle that is 4 inches long and 2 inches wide? You would need 8 squares. How many 2 pieces of money make 8 cents? Oh, what 2 pieces of money make 8 cents? A 5-cent piece and a 3-cent piece. And I'm gonna do another, because these other ones are just gonna be super more copy work and stuff. So I'm gonna put that in whatever part that will be. Until then, if I can find my school bell, you can like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for all notifications.